Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you're crushing your goals and moving fast through life, but maybe you don't want everyone knowing about it. Let me break down 5 key strategies to keep your progress under the radar in 2026. Step 1. Curate your social media presence strategically. Don't post every win or achievement. Mix in regular content so your feed looks balanced and unassuming. Keep your victories private, and share only what serves your narrative. Step 2. Develop a private circle you actually trust. This is where you share real updates about your growth and momentum. These are people who won't broadcast your business to everyone else. Keep the inner circle small and intentional. Step 3. Master the art of looking busy but unbothered. You can be grinding hard while appearing relaxed and casual about it. Don't telegraph your hustle or make it your whole personality. Stay calm and collected in public spaces. Step 4. Use offline methods to track your real progress. Keep a private journal, spreadsheet, or app that nobody else sees. This keeps your actual metrics hidden while you stay accountable to yourself. Step 5. Create strategic distractions or misdirection if needed. Share small side projects or hobbies that draw attention away from your main moves. Let people think you're focused on one thing while you're really building something bigger. This keeps your real momentum invisible.